Our lean culture is fueled by Pankow's desire to reverse construction's 52-year labor productivity downturn, or flip the curve. As labor productivity has been increasing in other industries, labor productivity in the construction industry has been declining since 1968. Pankow is committed to reversing this trend through our efforts in lean, virtual design and construction, prefabrication and modular solutions, and the revolutionizing of project delivery. We are committed to and making strides towards breaking the cycle of waste and inefficiency. In 2014, we set the strategic goal to see waste, eliminate waste, and continuously improve to provide value. This goal and the impact it had on the company led to the creation of a dedicated lean group to make greater strides toward flipping the curve. The start of our lean journey began with a company-wide study action team on Paul Acker's 2-second lean book. In the SAT, groups read the book and engaged in reflective exploratory conversations. Our goal for reading 2-second lean was to introduce employees to the concepts of seeing waste, eliminating waste, and continuously improving at home and in the office. This was Pankow's first company-wide effort to building a lean culture, where each employee develops an awareness to see and eliminate waste in all they do. In August of 2014, Pankow began holding daily lean huddles company-wide to inspire employees to make small improvements each day. These initial lean huddles had 2 expected outcomes: to provide dedicated time to reflect on how we can improve our environments and processes, and to learn and familiarize the company with the 8 wastes and the 4 criteria of a lean improvement. These huddles help build a common language in the 8 wastes and 4 criteria and built our foundation of cultural lean thinking. In 2016, in support of creating a fully integrated lean culture, we took our lean training efforts to the field crew level. We provide on-site trainings on lean processes, such as the 8 wastes, 4 criteria for a lean improvement, and 5S'ing to the laborers, carpenters, and foremen, with a special emphasis on creating the safest job sites that also improve the quality and efficiency of our work. Additionally, Pankow began to introduce the Lean Recognition Program to the field crews to inspire them to document their improvements via video. Since 2014, all Pankow employees, including foremen, have continued to see waste, eliminate waste, and continuously improve by generating videos that document their improvements that are shared company-wide. Currently, we have over 600+ videos in our library of improvements. The Huddle group learns together from discussing the wastes identified in the video and evaluates the 4 criteria of the improvement. Also in 2014, the last planner system was introduced company-wide to improve collaboration, flow, and learning throughout our scheduling process. In July of 2015, the last planner system became the company standard for all Pankow projects, no matter the size or dollar value. During the second half of 2016, we introduced the functional huddles. This enabled us to meet in functional groups with the intent to map processes that directly impact that group. The expected outcome for Part 1 of Functional Huddle Process Mapping was to introduce the fundamentals of process mapping company-wide and to begin building this skill set. The real focus of these groups was to generate learning. Throughout 2017, the functional huddles started with Fix What Bugs You and graduated to more specific, targeted improvement opportunities that directly impacted the work. The expected outcomes for our process maps were to learn how to execute the process of applying metrics and to identify the bottlenecks and most wasted time in these processes. Through this experience, we learned how to execute this process and where the largest bottlenecks were in some of our major company-wide processes. At the beginning of 2017, Pankow process improvement events were introduced to target improving our processes and creating and refining standards. To recap, the expected outcomes for P2I events are to engage and inspire our people to see and eliminate waste to provide value, and to foster a learning environment focused on continuously improving safety, quality, cost, and schedule in our journey to operational excellence. Our lean journey has made us more nimble and adaptable. We are making the natural evolution to focus on collective learning, knowledge sharing, and innovation through standardization. We are taking a big leap toward Lean 2.0 with the help of ProMap, an interactive knowledge platform that provides a forum to standardize processes through contribution and collaboration. It will enable us to consolidate and access process information quickly, easily, and intuitively. This is a living documentary that will be updated as we continue along our journey of learning. Thank you for taking the time to reflect on what we have learned together, and thank you for joining us on the path ahead.